2003 Chevy Silverado, one owner, extended cab, 92,000 miles. Texas truck, no rust, in absolutely impeccable condition. Amazing condition for its age. Not a door ding, not a rock chip, not a flaw. Tow package, bed liner, leather seats. This truck is clean. Four-door extended cab, one owner, two-wheel drive, 92,000 original miles. Leather seats, power seats, Clifford aftermarket alarm with both keyless entries. Carfax report is a one owner, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. You're not going to find a truck in this condition in this price, I promise you. Especially a one owner Texas truck. Power seat. Oh, I'm sorry. 92,164 miles. (2003) Chevy Silverado, four-door extended cab, two-wheel drive, 92,000 miles, one owner. Probably the cleanest truck you're going to find on the market right now.